He does just walk to his car. He's like checking the mailbox. He's on the phone trying to figure it out. He's looking for
trying to make it look like he don't know.
Oh, enough fun. Don't let me see you.
No, he didn't look up when I was outside. He's like blowing.
Oh, now I don't know.
Okay, now he's gonna figure it out.
We can't see anything now.
I mean, his car is obviously not there, so he's gonna
I
stand.
was coming down the stairs.
I wasn't paying attention.
He was clicking the button. I was just laughing like, oh my god. And he's just clicking, and you know how you just stay on the phone to not look awkward.
That's what I'm saying. So he's not looking awkward. He's wandering around like you got shit to do.
No, you're pretty much lost.
He's all on the phone. Someone stole my car.
He's on the phone with 911 now.
He's all calling 911. Someone stole my car.
We better get the hell out of here.
I know, right?
Where is he walking to that he's not even back this
He's
way?
just standing there trying to figure
standing in the
it.
shade.
He's like, what?
He's like, them girls are watching me. I know it. There he is.
Oh, there he is.